Go live on www.mayapur.tv and your Facebook page in just 2 clicks. Mayapur TV is a growing one-stop destination for ISKCON devotees worldwide. Chapter 1. The 2 clicks. Log in to www.mayapur.tv/go live. Tick the Remember Me box so you log in automatically next time. Grant access to your webcam and audio if asked. Click number 1, Go Live. Click number 2, Start Broadcast. And that's the 2-click process. Let's look at our channel on the Mayapur TV website. It may take up to 30 seconds to appear. The channel is called Test 123 Web RTC and the icon is Lord Chaitanya's Sankirtan Party. Let's customize it. Chapter 2. Customize your channel. Click the Configure Once tab. Click the red Live Channel tab. To update your channel title, your time zone, or your thumbnail image, click the down arrow on the left. Now we need to set the thumbnail image. You should have an image prepared that is 225 pixels wide by 130 pixels high. Click Upload JPEG file. In the new window, click Choose File and locate the image. Then click Upload File Now. The message should come File Uploaded. Enter the name of the file in the box provided. If that procedure is too difficult, just email your thumbnail image to tech@mayapur.tv and we will do it for you. Also, don't forget to add some links. Chapter 3. Record your channel. Click the Record tab. Check if there is a recording going on by clicking the Status button. Enter a title or speaker name. Enter a subtitle. Click Start Recording. You will see the status change to In Progress. Click Stop Recording when the recording is over. When a viewer clicks on your channel, your recordings appear beneath your main video. Chapter 4. Forward to Facebook. So let's look at how to share your video to Facebook without starting another broadcast. Click the Share tab. Wait up to 10 seconds until the page loads. As you can see, this channel has already been configured to go to the ISKCON TV Facebook page. You can easily go live just by clicking the Start Broadcast button. But you may want to broadcast elsewhere, so click the Config Facebook button. Then, Step 1. Log into Facebook if you're not already. Step 2. Give a short description of what you're broadcasting. Step 3. Select the page you want to go live on. Step 4. Click Complete Config. Click Start Broadcast to go live on Facebook. And always click Stop Broadcast when the broadcast is over. Your channel should be live on our chosen Facebook page. Chapter 5. Channel Live Updates. The live updates lets you update viewers to your channel in 2 different ways. The channel slide-in message lets you send a short message which slides across the screen. The viewer can cancel it by pressing the close button. The class text can also be used for schedules. It can be formatted to look attractive. Click Submit and you get the choice to make it appear on everyone's screen automatically or only when they click a button. The usual setting is automatically show. Chapter 6. Your Devotee channel. If you have admin permission for a permanent channel in the Devotee channel section, you can configure that here. Click the Your Personal Channel tab and follow the instructions in the Personal Channel Setup tutorial.